So I'm Jonathan. I'm from Saskatoon, which is a small city here in the prairies in Canada. Before I joined File Stage, I was working at the university here in the city. I joined them like right after I graduated with my computer science degree. Eventually, our project there at the university ended, and I joined File Stage a few months later in a DevOps engineer role, learning doing all those things I learned about in Toronto. And yeah, I suppose eventually I moved into a manager role, and now I'm working more on like facilitation and prioritization and communication as opposed to directly working on delivering features. So I really enjoy that sort of thing now. So as opposed to being just responsible for myself and my own work, now I have to be looking out for the work of other people and making sure that they're able to work to their best ability, essentially, that they're not blocked, that they're not like being like slowed down by anything else. And so I really enjoy, I think I've got a pretty good handle on being able to like talk to people and seeing how the organization is running and how everything kind of like links together. And so I really enjoy being able to like see kind of like the bird's eye view of like everything that's going on and how to make sure everyone's able to work to their best ability. So since I moved into the manager role specifically, I'm learning more about how an organization works together. Before I knew more about, I still knew about like programming and software like release cycles, but now I'm learning about marketing and customer success and sales. And so I have to deal with like the entire organization now. I'm talking to more people, and it's really exciting learning about how everything all works together and how to make an organization run successfully is more than just a bunch of good developers. You need to have a lot of really good people and a lot of other roles too. I remember when I came across the original job posting, I was like, oh, there's a really nice fit. And I really liked the first interview was just really promising. I always had this kind of feeling like you would kind of know after the first interview after if there was like a good fit or not. And I just had that like good feeling after the first interview. It's like they like me, I like them, it's like, oh, it seems like a match. And so I thought that we all had similar values in terms of like what we need to test, how much we need to test, like the value of sort of testing and standardizing a release process. And I think we really just saw eye to eye on a lot of things right off the bat. And so it's just a really good fit. In File Stage, it's awesome. Like we all signed up for this. We all, I think, have had some sort of experience before for the most part. So everybody is great at the asynchronous communication. It's awesome here. I really enjoy the way that we handle the remote work here at File Stage.